guys, so we are at Michael's right now and Target's like over there. So we are going to go inside and we're going to go shopping and you guys are going to come with us. So I'm here with my mama and she's also filming. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the store. Are you gonna get one?
I might get one because I need a new one for this year.
This one's 2017.
Because it starts in July. Perfect. I might get
That looks cool.
this marble one, right?
I want a tiny one, but I never really write in it.
Yeah, you don't write in it. How many times you started and then you didn't?
Like, I want one to put like slime ingredients in. But I would never write in it probably. So yeah, are you getting that one?
This is the exercise one. Okay, I think I might get this one. So this one has the marble. Then this is not open, so it's no one's touched it, but it looks like that inside. Then each section has a marble. I think I'll get this one.
So we're getting.
Oh wait, this one's
What? Oh, it's kind of messed up.
kind of messed up.
Let's see this one.
No, we get one on the bottom. Okay, this one's better.
Mama got so excited, so she read that she's getting this for free because she got a plant. Oh, sorry. So cute. We found these cute little tiny miniature stuff for like doll houses. Oh, I think this would be over here. Model. No, it's not over here. I did see it over here. And this is Michael's. It is. We found magic. So soft.
Pom-poms,
Pom pom.
beads.
Crunchy.
Where's your model magic?
It's over here. But you can also get a huge bucket for $25.
Oh my god. What's this one for $16.49?
Let's see. It comes with nothing.
It feels pretty light.
Yeah,
It feels like it's like a
it does. What should we get? This one has nothing in it.
That one looks like,
It looks like
this
poop.
one's definitely poop color.
You want to make a brownie one.
Like you can tell everybody's been squeezing it. Because look at this one, and then look at this one.
This one is a white one, but this is like the only white.
What color would you get? White?
Yeah, probably white.
Ooh, these things are fun.
What is it?
Oh, here, and like you can knit stuff.
Oh, I'm not good at that.
Yeah, I know you're not good at that. Smartest dough to ever flow.
You can like, you don't need to get Modern Magic. There's other brands that you can get. Play-Doh.
toes. Shake me. Scented erasers?
Scented dough.
Yeah, scented dough.
More.
Hop it? Let's hop it.
Okay guys, we got all our stuff. I'll do a little haul when we get home now. Okay, we're going to Target now. So yeah, we'll see you in it. We got stuff. So yeah.
Conditioner one, right? Not the shampoo.
We're going to get some conditioner.
The conditioner.
This one. This one I'm figuring out. Okay, now we're going to Dollar Tree, and when we get home, I'm gonna do like a haul because I didn't film a lot in Target because it was kind of awkward. So I'm probably not gonna film in Dollar Tree because it's gonna be kind of awkward. So yeah. Hey guys, so I have some good news. We're back from the store so I can find you a haul. But Mama dropped her Starbucks all over my shoes, and I had to wash my feet in the sink. If you don't know, I wash it like this. But I had to wash my feet in the sink, and now my feet are soaked. She's putting stuff away. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I'll get all the stuff. So be right back. Okay, so this is a little preview. We still have a lot of stuff, but they're just not like exciting. I didn't want to show you guys anything that was exciting. These are the select few. So my mom is getting a planner. You see right here. She got these Harry Potter page clips. She also got the planner, which looks pretty cool. She also got this free hollow book cover. If it's not hollow, then don't come at me. Because I know people are angry whenever that happens. We also got these containers. It comes with 4, and they're like just square containers. Let's open them. Let's open them. Here, let me put you guys like, I don't know, like standing up. Okay. Let's open them. Because why not? We have nothing better to do in our life. Well, at least in my life. There's nothing better to do. Okay, so they look like this, and here's the lids. Last time I got containers, the lids didn't really go on really good, but these ones do. So yeah, now they're all over the place. When you have nothing better in life, don't open up containers next time. Trust me. Okay. We also got some saline solution. Let's open this up too. Okay, so saline solution comes with 2 bottles, so they do last a long time, depending on how much slime you make. We got some thick and rich soothing aloe shaving cream. I got the thick and rich one, so then my slime can be thick and rich. We got some Nutella. We got some unicorn skin or confetti glitter. Unicorn skin sounds better. We got some Cafe Bustelo, which is coffee. And we got some Model Magic. This is just a white blanc. I don't know. It usually has that name like white blank. I don't know. So yeah, this is my first time having model magic. I've never made butter slime in my life. Like, can you believe it? Oh my gosh. So yeah, that is like a little preview of what we got. So yeah, I don't know what else I should film. Oh, my mom also got these, which are stamps. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it. That is